Have you ever noticed the first YouTube video in the world? It was uploaded on April 23, 2005 by the site's co-founder Karim, who uploaded the video onto a channel with the username Jord, which was created the same day. It was recorded by his high school friend Yakov Lipitsky at the San Diego Zoo, featuring Karim in front of the elephants in their old exhibit in Elephant Mesa, making a note of their long trunks. The video was titled as Me at the Zoo. It was made only 19 seconds runtime. Thanks for watching our videos. Subscribe here, we have videos every week relating to the first in the world.